vlogging this whole day, packing all day, getting things ready to leave tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow. And I did so much filming and editing today that it's literally 9:45 p.m. and I have not packed a thing. I started a packing list last night and there's approximately 3 things on it. So that's where we're at. We're leaving around 3 p.m. tomorrow and I gotta get my shit together, I really do. It was a productive day, I just didn't happen to pack anything. I uploaded today's video, we just had some hot chocolate, took a little break, cleared all my memory cards, and it is time to at least do a little bit of packing tonight. We're gonna have to finish it tomorrow. And then we road trip. I'm gonna do a whole road trip vlog. I'm not excited to be in the car for 18 hours, but I'm really, honestly, really excited to go home to Wisconsin for almost 2 weeks, I think. I'm excited. But then again, I always think I'm like, okay, I'm gone for like a 2 whole weeks. I have no idea what clothes to bring. I'm really hoping we have room in the car. Oh gosh, there's so much stuff for me to bring this whole bag of clothes home. I think like half of it I want to bring to Plato's Closet. I really like going to the location in Madison. I usually make a really good turnout. Hi! There, and then I'll donate the rest. And I'm bringing out the big suitcase. I actually haven't used this yet since I got it a few months ago. The good thing is Duncan, no, leave it. Looking at the calendar before I even start packing, it's like, okay, what are significant things going on that I need to dress for? Well, there's Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and then New Year's Eve. Other than that, all I'm gonna be doing is like hanging out with family, seeing friends back home. That's really it. So I really shouldn't have to pack a lot. You know, I think I'm gonna bring just a lot of sweaters, a couple pairs of jeans, some sweat sets, a couple workout sets, and we really should be good. I just know it's gonna add up so quick. But I can rewear stuff. I'm gonna be staying at homes. Like there will be laundry opportunities, you know? Wait, I also need to remember to bring jackets home. I think I have like a winter jackets home because I didn't even bring them to Texas, but like a leather jacket, like stuff like that. Most beautiful time of the year, I'ma be under the mistletoe. I've been talking to Santa and he told me everything that you want this year. I always use my base weekender bag for all of Duncan's stuff, but I'll pack that tomorrow. Honestly, I'm gonna be really mad if we leave the kitchen and stuff a mess. I know the dishwasher needs to be emptied, so Duncan's drinking water, you can probably hear him, but I'm gonna worry about cleaning this stuff up. I have a small load of laundry I'm gonna do in the morning, so I'm gonna get this out of the way. I'm gonna shower. I still have some editing to do. It's already 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna finish up that stuff and just have a clean slate for in the morning. And then I'm gonna wake up, get in a workout, and finish packing. So I will see you at coffee time tomorrow morning. Good night. Let's get this day going. I just exfoliated and shaved my entire body. I'm feeling good. I was debating on washing my hair, but it's the 19th today and I have a hair appointment on the 23rd. So I think I wanna wash it one time a little bit closer to the day. And I forgot how much I love the water in Madison, and we're going to Madison first. The water here is just very hard and like really turns my hair yellow. And in Wisconsin over time, it will turn yellow, but in Madison specifically, it's just nice water. And I have these Hair Proud travel size shampoo and conditioner, so I'm just gonna bring them with because I don't have stuff in Madison, but I do have stuff at my dad's house in my hometown, so I don't need to bring a ton. One last load of laundry. All right, before I do anything, I need to make a coffee. As you could guess, I'm running on little sleep. I feel like no matter what, before you leave for a trip, you always just have like a million things to do, and I can never manage my time. So I got like 5 hours of sleep last night, but I really wanted to finish my workout split. So I got to the gym, all was good, and here we are. I might take a nap today if I have time. My Vlogmas video for today is almost done, which is exciting, but we need to get packing. I'm doing one last load of laundry, running the dishwasher one last time, and it should be good. I think since I have some sweats in the wash that I want to wear today, I'll probably end up packing Duncan's stuff first. I feel like that's the easiest way. to go about it. Ooh, cinnamon. I can't believe we leave today though. Like, it's so crazy. I feel like, you know what, I'm torn. I can't tell if it feels like I've been home more recent than I have or not. Because I guess the last time I was home was, oh, we did go back once in September. I was gonna say other than that it was July, but we did go once in September to a Badger game. So I know there's technically a right way to brew a latte. I should really look it up and figure out what it is. The reason lately I've been pouring the milk and cream and stuff in here first is to hopefully have the espresso not like melt all the ice if it's brewed directly on top, if that makes sense. But I think technically, if you want like the perfect latte, you have to brew your espresso in a certain way. I'm trying to start putting stuff in his bag and he will not let me. He knows that this is his stuff and he knows something's going on. Okay, now he just left. Of course I turned the camera on and he's like, no, I'm an angel. But I'm probably gonna need 2 bags for him because I think we'll have one bag that's more accessible that has like a food and water bowl in it and like treats we want to access, but we'll have a big bag for the stuff that I just want to bring home. And you know what? I probably overpack for him, but that's totally fine. I would rather overpack than underpack. Okay, can you watch out please? There's nothing in there. He doesn't really wear his harness anymore, but I'm gonna bring it just in case. We also have this really long leash I'm gonna bring. And this leash, how many leashes can you bring? Because obviously he's gonna wear one to the car. I have this like lick mat situation with a bunch of extra poop bags. We have a Kong, his portable water, which I think we'll keep in the car. Lights for if we ever walk him at night because the sun does set an hour later here compared to in Wisconsin, which is kind of crazy, which obviously the sun sets early in general since it's winter, but it sets extra early there compared to here. If you've been watching Vlogmas, we've been doing a dog advent calendar. I'm not gonna bring home this whole giant thing. I am just going to bag up the rest of the treats in here. Besides, I will give him today's the 19th. Actually, I don't think we did yesterday's either, but I'm just gonna bag up the rest of the treats so that I can just take them with. Of course, the one for Christmas is like huge. Maybe we will actually save this for Christmas, just for fun. Get it? Good boy. Good job. I want to get my toiletries, makeup, skincare, all of that out of the way because I'm probably not going to put anything on my face. If anything, maybe like a tinted moisturizer, but I don't need any makeup for the road trip. I like to do 2 separate bags. Obviously, if I'm flying somewhere and it's a shorter trip, I'm not that extra and dramatic, but since I'll be home for 2 weeks, we're going to do makeup in this and skincare and other in this. Both from Base. Most of my travel stuff is from Base. I've been collecting Base for years now, and I love their stuff. I washed all my makeup brushes yesterday, so that's good in order to prepare. And then I have all of my makeup and skincare in here, so I literally just like go through my routines in my head and pack step by step. I think that's the easiest way to go about it. So here's what we have right now, before, after. It honestly probably doesn't even look that empty. I really thought I was gonna be able to fit it all in those 2 bags, but no, this is all of my toiletry stuff. I feel like I'm decent on packing when it comes to going on a trip, but when I'm doing something like this, going home for a while, I just over stress about all the little things because I want it to be perfect. Like whenever I'm on a trip, I have the mentality of, oh, if I forgot it, I can just buy it, whatever. But I don't know why, but like going home for 2 weeks, I'm like, I need everything. And I was just talking to Keith about it. I'm like, it sucks because I have so many categories of toiletries. Like for my face alone, I have skincare, then I have makeup, okay? Well, then I have everything for my hair, like shower products, but also if I want to style and curl my hair. But then I also have like some things if I want to upkeep my nails, my like eyebrows, I need tweezers or the little shaver thing. And then I want my dry brush so that I can exfoliate before I shower and self-tan. So I have all my self-tanner stuff. Also, I'm supposed to get my period, so I have to have a bunch of period stuff, but also what am I going to be feeling? What period options do I want? It's just like, I know I don't have to make it this complicated, but at the same time, I do. I do have to make it this complicated. So I just have a bunch of stuff going on right now, and I think I just need to start packing. I think I decided what I'm gonna wear for New Year's. I've been wearing this a lot lately, but like this is just a perfect New Year's top, and I'm just staying in. My favorite thing to do for New Year's is, to be honest, I don't really like going out on New Year's, and so we're doing like a house party situation at one of my friends' houses in the Milwaukee area, which is nice, and so I want to look cute, of course, but I don't need anything crazy. Also, my Christmas plans are pretty low-key. Like, I don't need anything wild. I mean, if I had a fun, crazy Christmas outfit, I'd love to rock it, but the reality is I don't. The dryer just got done, so I'm gonna put stuff away and then take out what I need from here. See you in a sec. Also, an update is we have just under 3 hours, but keep in mind that includes exercising Duncan, and I have to run an errand really quick. Okay, I changed into my black sweat set because I'm gonna wear this in the car, but also this is one of the sweat sets I want to pack. It is from Talentless. I love their stuff so much. But anyways, we ordered barbecue to pick up to take home for my dad because he is obsessed. So I'm gonna run and go get that now because we're gonna pack it in the cooler and everything and bring it home for him. We got my dad an entire chilled brisket. This seems like the easiest way to bring home. It came with directions and then even a whole bottle of sauce, so that's nice. He's had this once before. We brought Franklin barbecue home for him when we came for the summer and he was obsessed, so.
I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list.
I just saw that it's snowing at home and I hope it continues. I mean, I don't want to drive through it, right? But I would love to get home to snow. I bet it's light and it's not gonna stick though, so fingers crossed. I am going to talk through my list with you. I would literally, if I wasn't filming, I would be talking to myself out loud to get through this. Pulling up the calendar. Okay, wearing my sweat set. I have a little pouch for the hotel tonight with like face wash, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, clean socks and underwear. Oh, I should put deodorant in here, or maybe I did. Deodorant, that is smart. Okay, see, talking out loud helps. Deodorant also in here, perfect. So this is gonna be a separate pouch that I leave out of my suitcase so I can access it. So we get into Madison on the 20th. Probably not really doing anything that night, so just chill clothes. The 21st, I'll probably be bopping around the town, UT place. So I brought my crew neck. I'll probably just wear leggings and Uggs. Then the next day we have cookie bake, leggings and a sweater, perfect. Monday I'm getting my hair done, leggings and a sweater, perfect. Then I have a Christmas Eve and Christmas Day outfit. And then the next few days I'm just chilling. Sweats, leggings, sweaters. I have a New Year's Eve outfit. After that we head back. I have a few sports bras just in case. I am bringing my Hokas. I have a little lounge set. I have a bunch of socks and underwear. I have black jeans and regular blue jeans. I have one bodysuit in case I like go out to the bars and stuff, and I will bring my leather jacket, and I have ducks that I can wear. I don't think my leather jacket's gonna fit in this suitcase, but I feel like that's really everything. I have all of my toiletries and stuff. I'm not gonna go over that. And then tech is a totally separate topic, although I do want to bring a couple hats. I think we'll bring my regular Austin like baseball hat and then this one with a little more structure. Protect your local cowboy. We'll do both of these. Perfect. You know what? I think that's really everything. However, okay, I have a FedEx delivery coming today. It said it would be here by 1, but it's 1:16. It's not here yet. So I'm hoping it comes soon because I really want to pack it. It's a sweater. I ordered a sweater. It had a hole in it, so I had to send back the other one. They sent me the replacement, so the replacement is getting here today, and it said it would get here by 1, right? So I'm like, okay, perfect. If we're leaving at 3, it'll just make it in time for us before we leave, so I'm really hoping it comes before 3. So I don't really want to shut my suitcase so that I can pack it. Regardless, I think we're doing pretty good. Oh, my jewelry. I need to pack my jewelry. I'm gonna do that right now. You know what else I need is sunglasses and also a purse. What purse do I want to bring home? These are the questions. Good news, I got a notification I have a package. I bet it's my sweater. I don't know what else it would be. Let's go get it. Other than that, I do think I'm pretty much almost done. I mean, I have to finish Dunkin's stuff and I have a pile of supplements and stuff I might want to bring, but after that, that's everything. Okay, and I have to do all my technology still, so maybe I'm not as close as I think, but like when the suitcase is done, that's a big deal because that's what I stress about the most. Vibes are high. We're getting there. I have no idea why I just picked up a Hollister bag. I mean, it has my name on it, but like, what? The shipper, however, says Abercrombie. Like, does Abercrombie own Hollister? I have no idea. But it is indeed my sweater. Let's try it on and make sure there's no holes this time. I really want to wear it when I go home. So, oh, I love the color. I hope it fits though because I had to choose a different size. I think it's adorable. Honestly, I don't think it looks too small or anything. So I originally ordered this color in a size small, but that was the one that had the holes in it. And so I had to exchange it or whatever, but they were out of stock in the small, so I could either choose a different color or I could choose a different size, and I didn't want a different color because I like specifically planned on my order, and so I ended up sizing down because it already felt like a little roommate to begin with, so I was like, okay, I think it's cute. It'd be cute with jeans, it'd be cute with leggings. We're gonna pack this away and then zip up the suitcase. I got the clips to buckle, so that's good. Oh, we are doing great. This is gonna be an easy zip. You get to come with, I promise. All right, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is a huge suitcase. Literally his and hers when he's an away guy, but you're a base girl. Yeah, you sniffed that base one. That's the right choice, hey? Okay, the update. So we have this garbage bag of clothes I want to take home. We have both of all of our stuff. This bag is empty. I'm hoping to bring it when I go to Plato's Closet. This has Dunkin' stuff and a bunch of my like protein powders and stuff like that. This has all of Dunkin's like food and stuff we want to use in the car. I wanted to use a bag that has a zipper on it, so I actually emptied out my gym bag that I normally use so that he doesn't go digging through it because we'll probably have that accessible in the car. I put his food bowl in there. Got some food packs that we'll put in the trunk as well. And in a little bit, we'll grab his water dish. Really all I have left is my tech stuff, which is gonna go in here, and my hotel stuff. I laid out pretty much everything that's gonna go in my commuter tote, except I'm letting my computer and iPad charge a little bit. And he is dying right now, so I'm gonna take him for a walk really quick. I'm sorry, Dunks. I know, I'm sorry. It's been a boring day. I'm sorry. He truly normally does get so much exercise. It's just today, obviously, has been crazy, so he hasn't really, but at least a little something will be good for him. All right, we got our little bag, and this is also what I'm gonna use in the car just for like my wallet and stuff, but I also use this on walks. So we have a bag, a treat pouch, let's do a hat. Okay, let's go for a walk. Oh gosh, Dunks, there's stuff everywhere. Who did this? Hopefully I can open and close the door. I know, are you gonna be a good boy? Poor guy has no idea he's about to be in the car for hours. Come here. Not everything is fully charged, but I'm gonna start loading this up. Computer and iPad. I'm also gonna bring my notebook. I have a bunch of tech stuff split into these little travel containers. I don't know what you'd really call them, to be honest. Hard drive, adapter, sunglasses, and then I have a brush and my little pouch for the hotel. This bag is definitely full, but what can you do? That should be pretty much everything. My phone is sitting on the charger. I'm gonna grab that and go. We didn't pack the cooler, but we'll do that in 3 seconds on the way out. So that's it for this video. I'm literally gonna end this one and immediately start the travel home road trip vlog, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one tomorrow. I cannot believe we're this far in Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas.